Hi everyone, this is Mathan working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College, Coimbatore. So today we are going to exploring the basic features of NearPod. A NearPod is an AI-powered educational tool designed to enhance the teaching and learning. It supports interactive features like quizzes, polls, VR experiences, and collaborative boards to engage students. With real time feedbacks and data insights, it supports innovative teaching. So, this is the homepage of NearPart AI tool. So, initially, we have to create a PPT. So, either you can create a PPT from scratch or you can able to upload a lesson. So when we are creating the PPT, we have a n number of features that has been provided in the near part. So we can able to explore one by one. So here we can able to see the interactive options. So this is one of the features available in the near part. So in the interactive, we can able to see the video option. So in this video, we can able to the teachers can able to embed and multiple choice or open-ended questions for any video available in the YouTube link. And next one is the web content. So in the web content, the students to any website on the internet and combined with the near part media and formulate the assessments. So if next one is the BBC video, so you can here we can able to add high quality video content to have your near part lessons from a variety of BBC content. If it is related to your presentation, you can able to add this video. And next one is the near part 3D. So this feature is available to enhance the digital learning that immerses in the world of 3D. So in this we can able to include animals, image, body, places, and we can able to rotate the 360-degree in 3D space, and we can able to zoom in and zoom out the objects available in the near part 3D. And next one is the simulation. So it is especially for mathematics and science simulations available. So you can able to add to the slide that gives students a unique experience manipulating the simulation. So exploring the science and math topics, formative assessment is enabled and it is a self-guided. And next one is the VR field trip. So you can able to add the students anywhere in the world with the variety of VR images that you can able to add to your lessons. So here there is a no need of a headset needed. Work on any devices, and library of thousands of VR images are available. So this is one of the features available in the NearPod AI tool. And next one is the quizzes and games. So inside the quizzes and games, we have the quiz. So we can able to add the quiz together multiple formative activities in a single quiz. And then here we have a multiple choice. We can able to add a series of multiple choice questions to your lessons. And then we have the option features called the draw it. So the draw it activity allows students to respond and engage with materials using drawing tools. And next one is the fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks option is available with students to drag and drop words to complete the passage. So here the maximum of 1000 characters can be embedded. And the next one is the memory test. The memory test is a matching game of identical pairs of face down cards. Students can click on to the match. So choose from different styles and colors are available, and import images from Bing and Save Search is available. The next one is time to climb. So time to climb is a multiple choice quiz games that can be played in live or student based lessons. So here we can able to select a variety of themes that is available in this option, and we can able to randomize the answers, and we can able to convert the existing quizzes, and we can able to view the live leaderboard activities. And next one is the matching pairs. So matching pairs allow students to match the text to the images, text to text, or image to image is available. So the features are add or import the custom image is possible. Use for math and other subject is also available, and view progress in real time. And this is the another feature available in the near part. And next one is the discussions. So inside the discussions we have the collaborative board. So collaborative board is an interactive board for class discussions and the brainstorming sessions. So here the key features are we can be able to post the text and images, and we can able to hide the names of the students and pre-approve the post and comments. Next one is the poll. So here the gathering options, take a vote or gauge understanding with the multiple choice questions. So the features are multiple choice with no correct answers, share results with the students in real time, and we can able to add media to your prompt. Next one is the open-ended question. So this open-ended question, and the students can able to respond with written or audio responses. So key features are you can able to add to your prompt, record up to 10 minutes of an audio, and ability to add a timer. So these are the three different features that is available in the NearPod AI tool. After adding all the activities into our presentation, so we can able to click on the option teach, so that students can able to participate in live, or students can able to complete the assessment on their own. So a code will be generated, so with the help of the code, students can do all the activities that is embedded into our presentation. And finally, with the help of the reports, we can able to visualize the real-time activities of the students which have been embedded into our presentation. Thank you.